A 4-day capacity building workshop dubbed Developing 21st Century Skills, Creativity, Critical Thinking, Personal Mastery, and Soft Skills for Better Teamwork and Development has opened at the University of Cape Coast. Organized by the University of Cape Coast TAGDev 2.0 through its Agri-Food Systems and Entrepreneurship Center ASEC and RUFORUM in partnership with the MASTERCARD Foundation, the workshop aims to equip participants with contemporary soft skills for agricultural-based growth, professional development, as well as entrepreneurial skills. Speaking at the opening ceremony, the program coordinator at TAGDev 2.0, Professor Festus Anofrimpong, outlined the goal of the training.
TAGDev 2.0 is being sponsored by MASTERCARD Foundation. The main goal of TAGDev 2.0 is to ensure that Africans' young people and their institutions drive, please hear these words, inclusive, equitable, climate-smart, resistant socioeconomic development in their societies. You hear agriculture, but it is beyond agriculture. When it comes to socio-economic development, it goes beyond that. And our focus will not only be that. In fact, what we are trying to do is to leverage on the youth, agriculture, science, and business to address the SDGs, SDG 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, and others over the 10 years as I have indicated.
He also highlighted the expected outcomes of the training sessions.
The outcomes that they expect from us at the end of the 10 years is that we are going to have expanded equal work opportunities for financially disadvantaged young women and men in the agricultural sector. We are supposed to improve adaptive agricultural production and productivity and strengthen quality of higher agricultural education outcomes in training, research, and innovation. So this morning, like we've mentioned, we are going to have a 4-day workshop to equip young women and men with 21st century skills. Please underline the word equip. So at the end of the day, you are supposed to be equipped. We are thinking of 4 areas, and I think our initiation goes beyond the 4 things that they are talking about. We are looking at technical skills in sciences, technology, research, social science, and arts to develop creativity.
The regional managers of the Ghana National Chamber of Commerce and Industry in the Central Region, Madame Benedicta Anita Mensah, advised participants to apply the knowledge they had gained in their studies to solve societal problems.
And go out. Before you leave my work or my place of work, you might have learned something, a trade, before you go. And most of them go with their trade because you need to be independent in the 21st century. Looking at how the world is moving so fast, you are very fortunate to, get this program being organized for you and to propel you, prepare you, and let you be focused as you are going to the world of career, skills, and market. And I believe that you will never fail the university. You are going to make impact at the end of this program.
Speaking at the sign-ins of the program, the director of the Directorate of Human Resource here at the University of Cape Coast also shared his experience.
This program is very important. It is a key in trying to develop human resource of any institution. We need to understand the 21st century skills. You've mentioned some of the skills as creativity, communication, and teamwork, collaborative. We need them to be able to impart our human resource so that they will be able to deliver. because they engage with people, they interact with people. How can we build that positive communication skills? How can we have interpersonal relationship? And these things, when we have them, it will impact on our staff being able to deliver and deliver well. And so this program is very important and excellent for developing human resources in our institutions.
Reporting for TV UCC, my name is Onesifero Sobobi.